Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the doEnd node. Let's get started. So this node has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The first input is the enter execution pin that runs the node. Then you have the n value, which I'll talk about later. And lastly, we have a reset, which resets the node. Then we have one execution pin that is an output, and we have the counter. Now this counter will show how many times you have run this node. Now lastly, this node is a macro, so that means you can use this node in any blueprint. So in this example, this doEnd node can be run 5 times, because unlike other counters, this is a 1-based counter. So when I press the letter A on my keyboard, it will run the doEnd node, then it will print the string, and it will print how many times I have run this node. So the first time will be 1, it will print 1, then 2, then 3, up to 5. Now once I have reached 5, then this doEnd node will be closed. I cannot run the print string anymore until I reset it. So it's a bit like the doOnce node. If you want to know how to use the doOnce node, then there'll be a link here. Now let's try and test it out. So I'm gonna minimize this screen a bit so you can see the code. Now the first time I press A, no problem, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next time I press, it'll be 6, so it's not gonna run. It's just going to be blocked at the doEnd node. Now I need to reset the doEnd node if I wanted to run it again, so I'm gonna do that right now, reset, and now I can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can do that again and again. So this is how you use the doEnd node. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you have any suggestions on other tutorials I should make, please comment as well. And feel free to check out my Patreon in the link below. Don't forget to like, share, and most of all, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon!